So hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In previous video we had parts of speech and learned about parts of speech. But before parts of speech we have to clear our reading and skill sets. What is reading and speaking? If we don't know how to read and speak, how can we speak English? So for that we get to know about reading. In reading we contain how to pronounce vowels, how to pronounce consonants, silent words, how to write a name and many more. Now listening vowels, what comes in our mind? What are the vowels? Vowels are A, E, I, O, U. ठीक है, A, E, I, O, U जब हम यूज़ करते हैं वो हम कॉन्स्टेंट्स के लिए यूज़ करते हैं जब हम कोई वर्ड्स बनाते हैं. Silent words, what are the silent words? Now speaking about silent words, we think that silent words are those which doesn't contain any alphabet. But no, silent words are like knife and like pneumonia, psychology. How do we pronounce psychology? It starts from S, but when it comes to write, we start from P. So that are silent words. So basically we will see this in another video. Now how it helps to learn a language? When we learn a language, it is a very important topic. Learning a language is a combination of science and technology and art. It teaches you how to erect the structure. This cannot be unless you have a basic idea of rules, whether through a scientific study or through practice. This is where a grammar plays a role, and I'll help you to speak and learn about grammar. Okay? बेसिकली जब हम इंग्लिश सीखते हैं तो हम देखते हैं हमारे वर्ड्स बहुत वीक होते हैं या हम सेंटेंस नहीं क्रिएट कर पाते. हमारे दिमाग में हिंदी का सेंटेंस तो आ जाता है पर हम उसको इंग्लिश में कन्वर्ट करने में हमें बहुत दिक्कत होती है. इट मेजर सेंस, ये सबके साथ होता है, बट no problem, we will help you and I'll help you to make a sentence and about soft skills. Here it is. Thank you for listening. We'll continue in another video. Bye.